Wanted to make it easier for Gracie girl to get into the bed in the van. So I have the bench seat here and then the bed here. So what I did, I turned my drawer into a step. So I made this a step and I'll show you how, but I couldn't pull it all the way out, which would be better for her because then she couldn't fit right here. So it's like her whole body has to fit up here and then she can step on this. So this is not pretty, but it's functional. So I drilled a hole right here and I'm gonna put that back there. So now the drawer is locked like this. It can't open any further. I made this little thing. So that's gonna sit right on top here. Okay, so that way it can't open or close any further. And then I have this piece here. Hi, honey bunny. That we're gonna use to stabilize the bottom. So now it's like super duper sturdy. So let's test it out and see if we can get her to go from there to there to there to there, and then we can cuddle. Doing this.